back to another video. It's Cortez, aka Profit Baby. Make sure you like and subscribe. But real quick, just some proof. Setup I got into on gold. Started this account at 239. At the end of the day, we had it over to 20K. And this is a live account, as you can see. But yeah, and I don't believe in over leveraging as long as you know what you're doing. So it's totally like on your skill set and risk. And I am only been trading for 6 months, but I got it down pretty good. But then I closed that trades out, and the count is over 1K now. And I just started to stack entries, as you can see, from the first initial push at the top. And as it's going with the trend, I'm just stacking more entries to it, add to my balance. And now you see I closed that one out. I upped the lot size on these two. So basically we're doing basically a 12 lot in theory. Well, it is a 12 lot. And now the balance is at 11K. But the overall equity is like 18,000, 19,000, which title video is 20K. But yeah, that's all I did, stack entries. That's the proof. More videos to come. I just want to show y'all we do trade for real over here at Profit Babies. But like and subscribe, I'm out.